Hi, I'm Don Genova with another Foodie Friday for Russell Books. This is the time of year that we're going to be able to get together again. Restrictions are coming off and you can have some gatherings of people getting together for food. That's why I've chosen for the first book of this week, Gatherings, Bringing People Together with Food by Jan Scott and Julie von Rosendaal. This one is if you want to feed a crowd for sure. I picked one out of here, Beef and Beer Stew. And this puts together some great things. Beef, beer, broth, and some flavor enhancements with Dijon mustard and thyme. You put it all together and the whole becomes greater than the sum of its parts, and this stew tastes especially better the next day. So if you can bear to have it in the fridge for overnight, heat it up the next day, will taste even better. Second, meat. You're looking for meat? I've got meat. The Meat Book, 130 classic recipes from around the world, Ben O'Donoghue. And the section I went to in this book was poultry, because I love roast chicken. This is a roast chicken with yogurt recipe that's heavy on the Greek influence. It uses a lot of lemon zest and lemon juice and oregano. But the weird thing about it, which I've never done before, is that after you've roasted it for a while, you take some yogurt, mix it with eggs, and you pour that over the chicken and roast it some more. And the eggs and the yogurt baked together, they form a kind of a custard. And when you're serving the chicken, you can just grab a scoop and scoop that custard out, serve it beside the chicken. Tastes fantastic. Didn't think I'd ever like it, but I did. Finally, you want to finish your meal with something sweet, of course. How about Delish Insane Sweets? And they really are insane. You can make sorting hat cupcakes. That's one of the recipes in here. You can make one huge cookie in a skillet and cut it up like a pizza or a pie and serve that to your big crowd that you've got. What I decided to do was make more of a traditional recipe for a cookie, a cherry chip cookie. So it's kind of a chocolate chip cookie with dried cherries in there as well. But what I really liked was their suggestion of taking two of the cookies and making it into an ice cream sandwich. So there you've got your fantastic chocolate chip and cherry cookie with some Avalon organic ice cream in the middle. And I'm going to try that right here in front of you. But don't forget that all these books are available at Russell Books, russellbooks.com, or right downtown in beautiful downtown Victoria on Fort Street. We'll see you next time with another Foodie Friday.